and I'm here today at Great Cakes Farm Kitchen because Jordan, our farm manager, is going to teach you how to use the ingredients in your produce box to make sweet potato hash.
Hi, this is Jordan from Bliss Meadows, and I'm going to show you how to make a sweet potato hash this morning. So the first thing we're going to do is wash our vegetables. Next, we're just going to start peeling our potatoes. Sweet potatoes are some of my favorite tubers. They're rich, they're dense, full of nutrients, and they have that little tang of sweetness that you can either eat in the morning or, for a dinner side. Next, we're going to go in with some of the peppers. Twist, and again, dice here, and into the bowl it goes. Now, before we get cooking, we're going to do the same kind of dice with the rest of the potatoes here. We're going to do garlic next. We have some beautiful garlic here. We're going to take a few cloves. We only have 2 sweet potatoes, so we don't need that much. I'm going to grab 3 to give it a little more heat in the pan. We're just going to give this a quick crush. Mince. Alright, good enough. Toss these in with the peppers. And lastly, everyone's favorite, onions. Now, we're going to remove the top of the onion first. Make a very small slit along the side and just remove the outermost layer of paper. Right. So we're all done with our vegetables. So first, before we get anything in terms of these more fragrant items into the skillet, we're going to parboil our potatoes. We're going to, just for safety purposes, use a pot holder and take our sweet potatoes right over to the sink, and then allow them to drain. We're going to be using approximately 2 tablespoons of olive oil. Add that to the skillet. Just want to make sure everything is coated with that oil. What we're doing right now is we're just adding our vegetables, and we'll cook until we get a similar browning on the onions as well as the peppers. And you'll get a nice browning that will add both some sweetness as well as a nice color as well. So we're going to be looking to get all of these fully incorporated, both in terms of flavor and texture. We're just going to get this fold on up, and we're going to try some of this delicious breakfast sweet potato hash.